Writing style informative. Hey everyone. If you've ever been bothered by that burning sensation in your stomach, commonly known as acidity or acid reflux, you're definitely not alone. Today I'm here to share some quick and simple home remedies that might help soothe your stomach and ease that discomfort. Remember, while these remedies can be helpful, it's always good to consult with a healthcare professional if you're experiencing frequent or severe symptoms. First up, let's talk about a classic baking soda. Yes, the same stuff you use in your kitchen. Baking soda is a base, which means it helps neutralize the acid in your stomach. Simply dissolve a teaspoon of it in a glass of water and drink it slowly. It can provide quick relief from heartburn and indigestion, but be cautious. Don't overdo it as it can also cause gas and bloating. Moving on, how about some aloe vera juice? Not just good for your skin, aloe vera can also soothe the lining of your stomach and esophagus. It helps reduce inflammation caused by acidity and can promote healing. Just 2 tablespoons of pure aloe vera juice before meals might do the trick. Make sure it's the decolorized and purified type that's meant for internal use. Next, there's good old ginger. This isn't just a spice for your meals, it's also a potent anti-inflammatory. You can chew a small piece of ginger, or better yet, make some ginger tea. This can help calm an upset stomach and improve digestion. Just steep some fresh ginger slices in hot water for a few minutes. And there you have it, a soothing cup of ginger tea. And let's not forget about almonds. Almonds are more than just a healthy snack. They can also help regulate stomach acid levels. Just a few almonds after your meal can prevent the onset of acidity. But if you're allergic to nuts, you might want to skip this one. Lastly, staying hydrated is key. Sometimes simple water can do wonders. It dilutes the acids in the stomach and can prevent the burning sensation. Make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day, but avoid gulping it down quickly during meals as this can increase stomach distension. So there you have it. Some simple home remedies that might help ease your acidity. Give them a try and see which one works best for you. And remember, if your symptoms persist or worsen, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional. Thanks for watching and take care.